Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Well, today's not going to be quite as pretty as the last couple days, but it's still going to be very comfortable humidity-wise. We're not going to have the breeze that we did on both Monday and Tuesday, but we're also not going to be seeing nearly as much sunshine. More clouds than sun in the forecast for today. There is this outside chance of a shower both today and tomorrow, but on both days, they'll be very few and far between, most of us staying dry. As for the weekend forecast, it has become a little bit more clear-cut this morning. Saturday is looking like the nicer of the 2 days overall. Here's what we can expect, though, for the day today. We're going to top out close to 78 degrees in Buffalo. This is exactly where we should be for this time of year. More clouds than sunshine will be with us right through the afternoon hours, with that outside chance of an isolated shower by 3 o'clock this afternoon. 9 p.m. tonight, another great night for sleeping. Partly cloudy skies, decreasing clouds for the overnight period, and a temperature of around 68 degrees. Here's forewarned Doppler this morning. It is picking up on some shower activity over Lake Erie as well as the Niagara Peninsula, but none of this is hitting the ground. We do have a very dry air mass in place over western New York, and that's not allowing this precipitation to make it all the way to the ground, but it may hit the ground by the time we hit the afternoon hours. So you see this line of shower activity stretching all the way back into Indiana, and this is where the rain actually is making it to the ground. But everything that you see over western New York and northern Pennsylvania as well as Lake Erie is not quite yet because of that dry air mass in place. So we'll show it to you on Super Microcast. 8 o'clock this morning, more clouds than sunshine. That will be the case through the afternoon hours. By 5 o'clock today, a couple spotty showers can't be ruled out. That activity will wind down sometime after sunset, giving way to decreasing clouds overnight, partly to mostly clear. We'll see some locally dense patchy fog in the valleys early tomorrow morning as we kick off Thursday. And then by Thursday afternoon, we're looking at partly cloudy skies. A couple isolated thunderstorms can't be ruled out for tomorrow afternoon, but those will wind down by the pre-dawn hours on Friday and give way to an absolutely spectacular Friday. For the rest of the week, humidity levels staying on the comfortable side. Travel forecast for today, partly cloudy skies in the direction of Albany, Detroit. Temperatures there getting into the low 80s. We'll make it to a 79 today with a few more clouds in the direction of New York City, and mid-70s today in north of the border in Toronto. If you have boating plans for this Wednesday, we are looking at a couple showers out on Lake Erie for the afternoon, but the wave heights have come down considerably since yesterday, now between 1 and 2 feet. 58 degrees in Wellsville, 55 in Bradford, and we're at 66 degrees in Buffalo. Sunset time tonight arrives at 8:11. Here's a look at your Weather Watch 4 forecast for today. More clouds than sun with the outside chance of an isolated shower. Humidity levels staying very comfortable, 75 to 79 for daytime highs. Tonight, another great night for sleeping. Partly to mostly clear, not breezy. Patchy valley fog setting up in the early morning hours and staying at around 64 right near the lake shore. For tomorrow, we're looking at partly cloudy skies, a little bit milder than today. Humidity levels still comfortable. Chance of an afternoon thunderstorm for tomorrow, but again, those will be very spotty. We'll pick up a bit of a breeze out of the west between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Friday looking dry, especially after about 5 or 6 a.m. And then for the upcoming weekend, a couple showers can't be ruled out on Saturday, but it will be mostly dry. Sunday looking a little bit more soggier with scattered showers and storms, some of those lingering into next week.